Okay guys, i-launch na natin to. So ngayon gina-video ko muna yung from iPhone kasi I have to titignan ko yung magandang software na magagamit natin for streaming. Tapos yung streaming, it will take 24 hours to activate. So ngayon I will pick ito yung vlog number 1, no? So kopyahin natin ang YouTube channel, which is ito ang address niya. Okay, and then punta tayo dito, i-launch natin. There we go, yun yung address ng vlog 1 natin. So ngayon mag-pick tayo ng number of winners. So tatlong beses tayo kung mag-aano ngayon kasi maliit pa naman yung ating subscriber. So number of winners, isa-isahin ko lang muna. Okay, so i-adjust ko to. That's good. Alright, tignan natin yung more settings niya. Random comment, remove selected winners from interest after raffle, so para walang duplication. Okay, so I think settings natin is good to go. Okay, so ilagay natin ito. Alright, good luck guys, let's do the raffle. Oh, sandali, mayroon pa palang kulang ha, dali lang. So ngayon i-add ko yung comments sa video natin na vlog number 1. Okay, so makita nyo yun, we have 17 comments tayo na 17. So now let's start the winner. Let's spin the winner. Good luck. Yay, Robbie May. Alright, si Robbie May ang nanalo. Write that down. Okay. Si Robbie May po ang isang nanalo. Okay. Okay, now that's the first winner. And the second one. Let's try again. Good luck. Judith. Oy, Judith, panalo ka. Alright, Judith, you won. Alright. Next one, last one. Okay. Sa susunod, pagandahin natin yung natin, so para live siya. For now, testing pa lang naman ito eh. So, last one. No, akin yan. So, I will skip that one. Hindi ako dyan, hindi ako kasama. So, I will pick another one. Alright, the third winner. Tignan natin kung sino mananalo sa pangatlo. Siyempre mapipick up niya po yung si Nancy po. Nancy Aquino, si Madam, si Ma'am. Okay, so ang winner natin, tatlong winner natin. So ipopost ko ito sa ating sa YouTube channel. And then I will ping you guys. Okay, so hopefully next time na raffle natin mas maganda na. All right, thank you.